Everybody, Mark here today with you. Mentioned before, I was going to show you one of the ways that you can grow garlic at home, especially if you have a small place. All you need is a small container. Most people think they got to put it right into the ground right away. It's not the case really. All you need to do is take a clove of garlic there. So you can see the green there popping out, so it's starting to go to seed. Just start pulling apart. Make sure you peel it off there. Start pulling it apart. The bottom is where you're going to put it in water and actually have the roots growing out of it, if you can see that there. Done these already. They've been in the container for about 6 days now. You can see how it's starting to grow to the top. It's about 5 inches, 6 inches long now. Let that sit there for a week and then you're ready to plant that into actual pot or ground if it's warm enough out there. So what we're going to do here today is I took a 2-liter bottle, I cut the bottom off it, just put enough water in it for it to sit in. Peel all your garlic. Make sure you get all that little papery stuff off so it's just a garlic clove. That's your top, the green. The bottom's where the roots are going to come out. Let's put the bottom into the water. And just simply set it in. I'll do a better close-up here in a minute. And peel it. All the hair off there and all that. Set it. Foot down into the water. Just like that there. And show you here. Yeah, it's just sitting there in the water. And then you got that one. Should be ready in about, like I said, about 7 days to start putting into the soil there. So once you've got all your garlic all cleaned off, all the plastic, sure, the skin and stuff off of it, have it all just sitting bottom down. Some of them will float. That's fine too. As long as it's in the water, it'll start growing the root hairs. And then from there, again, you'll get something that looks like this here. And I don't know if you can actually see the bulb starting to grow in there. And the roots. So that's ready to go into the soil. And that should give you a full-size bulb. And yeah, that's one of the easy ways to start garlic inside. All you need is a little bit of water, something to put it in, and a warm windowsill. And then once spring comes, like here, it's the end of March. A little cold out, but I'll start them inside and grow them inside. Just needs a pot and some dirt and a little bit of heat and you're growing garlic. So hopefully you learned something there. I'm going to try and invest in some better camera equipment. I'm just using my phone right now. So bear with me here at the best I can do. And again, it's just garlic from the grocery store. That's all this was. It started to go to seed. And throw in some water and let it sit there for about a week and see what happens. Alright, if you got any questions, leave them in the comments there. I'll get back to you. And if you have any input on this, feel free to leave it down below as well. Subscribe as well. We have lots of cool stuff coming up. I'm going to do a few experiments. Try some stuff I've never grown before. Purple carrots, blue potatoes and stuff like that. I think will be pretty cool. So hang tight, stay with me, and we'll see what we come up with. Take care, guys.